Hi everyone, Nigel Saunders here. We had a warm day yesterday. It went above freezing for the first time in a long time. So I collected rainwater and I got my barrel full. Over here is my barrel, so you can see it's topped all the way up. It was down maybe a third of the way down. I've got some spare buckets of water on the floor. That's all my clippings from leaves that have fallen off and pruning. So everything in the plant room is doing really well. I've got my sarissa up here warming up now, and it's starting to grow like crazy once again. So that's good to see. What else is new? There's buds coming. I pruned my Ficus elasticas, that forest way back, and the clump style. And there's all kinds of buds coming out on the forest now, so that's kind of exciting. I don't know if I can get in a little closer to show you. I'll try. This room's pretty crowded. There's the top of it. Yeah, there's buds coming out all over it, so that's good to see. Over here is my jade that I pruned back, that one that's really short and squat. I'm styling like a baobab. You can see all the new growth coming in on that, so that's exciting to see. The ginkgo beside it over there, the little seedling, that's growing well. My bougainvillea is still in flower, looking really nice. My aloe is continuing to grow. You can see I pruned it off here, and then you can see the green leaves pushing up again. You can kind of see it continuing to grow. So that should be looking better in a few weeks, I think. Yeah, everything is doing really well this winter. The temperatures have been very cool. We've had a cold winter so far, so I haven't got a lot of growth in the plant room here. It's just been too cool for the trees to get going, but lately it's been warming up, and you can see, like on the ficus here, you can see all the bright new green growth on it. Things are doing well. Here's my hibiscus, that yellow hibiscus I pruned back. It's doing quite well. My Portulacaria afroforest is really doing well. Those scars are looking really good on the back. Yeah, really happy with that. The ficus, they're doing super. Continuing to fill in. Those canopies are getting thick. A few of the leaves have dropped off the inside. Occasionally I get a yellow leaf just from lack of light. And that's just natural as it lets, you let the canopy grow out. You're going to get some of this interior stuff shaded out a bit. But it'll all get hard pruned back eventually. I'm going to continue to grow it and thicken up that trunk and get more aerial roots. I'm hoping to get some more hanging down from branches and things. I think that'll look really cool. My saberleaf ficus is starting to push out buds after its last pruning. The fiddleleaf ficus, the Ficus lyrata, it's got all kinds of new leaves and shoots coming on it. Very exciting. Not much growth on the Christmas cactus yet, but I can see little buds developing at the tip. Yeah, I think that'll be coming out into new leaves soon. And eventually it'll weep again. It'll look quite nice. The jade I repotted back there, in one of Ray's pots. It's doing really well. It's still got flowers on it, which is amazing. My pink pixie bougainvillea, looking really good. You can see it down here. Doing well. My Ficus religiosa, doing really well. Getting a nice little canopy on it. My acacia down there, I'm not sure if it's a sweet thorn or camel thorn. looking good, coming out. My tiger bark ficus, let me see if I can get down here. The one I pruned back quite hard, it's got new leaves coming out on it. My ficus elastica, the small one I pruned back, not much happening on it yet, but hopefully soon. There's a pink pixie beside it. My Schefflera here, growing really well. I missed it a lot. I get my mist bottle and I come underneath here and I spray all the aerial roots as I rotate it around. I do this 2 or 3 times a day. Keep those aerial roots growing and happy. Yeah, so it's looking really good, I think. Doing well. The Frankenficus back there, doing awesome. Looking really healthy. The Ficus root over temple, still doing well. The lychee tree that Zin gave me, again, no growth, but it's not dying after that severe root pruning, so that's really good. My other one, my Delonix regia, way back here, I did a really severe root prune on it. I don't know if you can see it in there. Let me get the light there. It's just a stick, but there's buds on it, new buds. So it's going to come out into leaf soon, which is exciting. What else is new? The ficus over here, my mistletoe ficus that Jay from Blue Jay Bonsai gave me. I haven't done any work on that. That might be coming up on a Ficus Friday soon. What else we got? The acacia forest, looking really good here. Way back there is my other Schefflera. It's all come out into leaf and it's looking good. My willow leaf ficus here. It's not doing too much. It needs to be out in the sunshine. It needs a lot of light to kind of stimulate the growth. My tiger bark Chinese village penjing down here, still doing really well. Growing well, looking good. My Ficus rumphii down here, looking good, nice and healthy. I did a severe repotting on that into a root maker pot, and yeah, it hasn't died, which is good because I did a severe root pruning, but it hasn't grown. So it's just waiting for the right conditions and it's going to take off. It's got a good pot full of bonsai soil, and once summer comes, that's going to grow like a weed. My guava tree up here, speaking of growing like weeds, it's just growing tremendously. You know, see the trunk is, thickening up slowly. It's getting there. The ficus, this is my ficus plain here. And it's doing really well. Someone mentioned that this tree looks like the creatures in the movie The Arrival. Is it The Arrival or just Arrival? I don't know. It does. It kind of looks like those creatures in the movie. I think, too. Now, the other Schefflera, I did that repotting, and I have all these aerial roots going into the container. It's doing super. All kinds of leaves on it. Happy. My hibiscus is back here. Back here, looking good. I'll show you a view of the trunk. It's in here. My yucca forest back there, it's doing well. Lots of good green growth on top. The two ficus microcarpus here in the Vietnam style pots, they're doing well also. Looking good. All the little Portulacaria afras, all the different varieties are doing well. I've got the cork bark ones back here, and I'll give one of those potfuls to John from the Macedo Bonsai Club. I gave one to Connor, and I'll keep one for myself. All the Snow Queen hibiscus are doing really well. There's that one. And then I've got a pot full of cuttings down here. That's also doing well. My Fukian tea down here is doing quite well too. It hasn't grown much. It's just kind of dormant because it's cool in here. But they need a dormant period in the winter. The Norfolk Island pines, still looking good. Beginning to grow nicely now. My little Ficus too little here. Lots of new buds and growth all over that. That's looking good. The Brazilian rain tree, it still wants warmer, sunnier weather, but it's doing quite well. A lot of new leaves came out on it. Some of the older leaves are still coming off of it, falling off. Doing quite well. Sorry, that isn't the Ficus rumphii. That's the Ficus bengalensis. The Ficus rumphii is over here. Oops. Is over here. Right down there. So it's doing well. Yeah, so not spectacular growth this winter just because it's been so cool outside. Still winter out there. So it was warm yesterday. We had plus 4 degrees, which just felt like spring. It was just amazing. Today it's just above freezing, so it's still another warm day. But on the weekend it's going down to minus 23. Oh my goodness, it's like a roller coaster ride. Minus 23, that's cold. That's that's tied with I think we had a minus 24 as being the coldest day of this year so far. But minus 23 is pretty close, not far behind. So that's going to be another cold spell. So I'm kind of enjoying the warm days while I can, working out in the greenhouse, collected all that water. I got everything in the greenhouse watered yesterday. So yeah, all the trees are in good shape. I watered all the trees downstairs. So yeah, just waiting for the warmer weather. Over here are the kapok trees. These are cuttings off the original trees that I grew from seed. I still have some thanks to Bonsai J. He gave me some cuttings back. And this is the silk floss tree here, which is just growing like crazy. I'll show you the trunk on it. This is the trunk, and it's got all the thorns, really sharp thorns all over it. So I pruned it off here, and it's got a new branch here, and a little one off to the side here. Doing well. My wild almonds down here are doing well. The Jerusalem thorn trees, not much happening on them. The trunks are still green, but the leaves have kind of dried up and fallen off. So I don't know what'll happen to those. Hopefully they'll grow again. The bullhorn acacia there, doing really well. The monkey ear trees, still growing like crazy. Behind those are some more yellow hibiscus from seeds, but I can't see them from here. And there's another Ficus religiosa back there, medium-sized one. That's my Natal ficus that I pruned back quite hard recently. It's waiting to grow. The lithops, they're down here. And they're looking really good. I don't water them, I just mist them. They get kind of misted a couple of times a day with a light misting. That's about it, and just enough to kind of wet the soil surface, and that they seem to be really happy with that. Last night I had a nice conversation with a bonsai club, Aquinas College in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Mark, the president of the club, contacted me, and I talked with the students for over an hour. It was a great conversation and a lot of fun. So thanks a lot, Mark. It was nice talking to you. Tom from the YouTube channel Grow and Clip Bonsai for Seniors sent me some seeds. He sent me some eucalyptus seeds. So there is the type they are. So thanks very much, Tom. I'll grow those and see if we can make a eucalyptus bonsai. This video was just a quick tour of the plant room so you can see what's growing and what's doing well and what's recovering and what's not doing so well. And that's all for today. I'm Nigel Saunders. Thanks for joining me in the Bonsai Zone.